Today we're making a classic Guyanese lunch: pot roast chicken, sweet potato salad, and fried rice. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by making some sweet potato salad. So I added a little salt, let it boil until tender. Once that is going, let's prepare the dressing. So here I will add some mayonnaise. I like to add a little ranch to that, as well as some mustard. And I will come in with a little seasoning. I will also add a tad bit of vinegar. Give that a real good stir. Make sure it's well combined and set that to the side. Once the potatoes are done boiling and you let them cool a bit, we're going to add some mixed vegetables, some scallion and parsley, and in with our dressing. Give it a real good toss, and that's basically it. We'll place this in the fridge until we are ready to serve. Now, you don't have to add any sugar to this. Usually I will add a tad bit of sugar to the regular potato salad, but because this is sweet, it's not needed. Now let's prepare some Guyanese Creole fried rice. To a pot with some oil, I added some broken jasmine rice, a little bit of green seasoning, and the rest of the seasonings I will list in my description or the caption. You want to give that a good toss and allow it to fry for a good 3 to 4 minutes. Once that is fried up nicely, you will add some sauces, which I will list in my description or the caption. You want to give that a good toss and make sure it's very well combined before we come in with the water. Now I will add some hot water here. Please don't use cold water. Add hot water and we will sit the lid on, reduce the heat to low, the lowest heat, and let it cook for about 25 minutes or so. After about 25 minutes, your rice should be perfectly cooked. I like to cover it, set it to the side, and let it sit for about 15 minutes before I fluff it. Next, we're going to go ahead and fry up our aromatics and our vegetables for the fried rice. Like I said, I will list all the ingredients and the measurements I use in the description or the caption. You want to give this a good toss, season it just a little bit, not a lot, because remember we already seasoned the rice. Then you will add your rice. You want to give it a real good toss, make sure it's coated well with the vegetables. And I like to come in with some fresh grated carrots, some shredded cabbage, and scallion. And yeah, that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple, and it's the best fried rice you will ever taste. So good. Now let's prepare some pot roast chicken. So here I have some chicken legs and thighs. I will add some seasoning to that with some fresh green seasoning and some Chinese sauce. Give it a good mix, and I did let this marinate overnight, but if you want to cook it in like 2 hours or so, you sure can. So next we will prepare the sauce for our pot roast chicken using some Chinese sauce, some barbecue sauce, and some ketchup. I will also add some water to thin it out, because if you don't add the water, the sauces will burn, and we don't want that. Next, we'll go ahead and sear our chicken on both sides. You want to get some color on them, but you're not cooking them all the way through. So once they're nice and brown on one side, you're going to flip them over, allow them to brown on the other side, and you're going to carry on with this process with all your chicken pieces. I went ahead and switched pots because I wanted all the chicken to be in the same pot. And you're going to go ahead now and coat the chicken with that sauce. Once that is done, you're going to let it come up to like a simmer before setting the lid on. Reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to go for about 40 minutes. Occasionally, like every 10 minutes, you're going to rotate the chicken. You want to flip it, and you're going to do this every 10 minutes until the 40 minutes is up. Once most of your liquid evaporates in the pot, your chicken should be perfectly done. And if the liquid evaporates before, that means your heat was too high. So here is what it looks like once it's done. I like to just garnish with some shredded onions and peppers. And that's basically it. We can get ready to serve everything up and enjoy. This was one of my childhood favorites. Pot roast chicken and fried rice. Here you have it, my version of a classic Guyanese lunch. This was like a Saturday lunch. Fried rice with pot roast chicken, potato salad or macaroni and cheese with your fresh garden salad on the side. Give the recipe a try and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.